Hi, today in front of me Vivo V21e and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So to turn on Wi-Fi to connect it to our device, we should open first network and internet, but before that sure open the settings, tap the network and internet and you'll see here Wi-Fi section. Just click on this section on to Wi-Fi to activate this option. So after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just to connect to Wi-Fi, select one from these networks and enter the password. To see the password, click to show password checkbox. After that, just tap to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that this network successfully connected to the device. By the same way, you could select more networks, enter the passwords, connect to them, and then you'll see them here in the Saved Networks list. So to turn on and turn off the Wi-Fi, you should use this switcher. After that, just select the network, enter the password, tap to connect, and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. First, you should open the control panel and find the Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch Wi-Fi settings from here you should hold it, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.